What's up guys, this is a quick unboxing for the Apeman ID73 indoor IP camera. So I've actually bought this camera from Amazon and I paid £30 for it, and what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below just in case if you need any more information or if you want to actually buy one. So right guys, what we'll do is we'll have a quick look around the box. So first of all, it tells you it's 1920 at 1080p, it's got two-way audio. It works with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi and it's got night vision as well. On the other side of the box again, it tells you it's 920 at 1080p. It's got two-way audio. It's got a wide angle lens and you can control the camera via an app which is called IPC360. It comes with motion detection and it gives you a 360-degree panoramic view. On the back of the box it tells you again it's 1080p HD, it works with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, it's got 100 degrees wide angle tilt, which means it will tilt up and down 100 degrees, and it's got a 355 degrees wide angle pan, so it'll pan left to right 355 degrees. Underneath that it tells you it's got night vision, which gives you a bright black and white image in the dark. Next it tells you it's got two-way audio which gives you a voice communication with families, and underneath that it's got motion detection which gives you an instant alarm sent via the app which is called IPC360. So right guys, that's everything on the box itself. We'll have a look what comes inside the box. So first of all, we've got a greeting card. And in here it tells you get a 12 months warranty, and it's got information so you can get in touch with customer support if you have any issues or any problems. Next in the box we've got the user manual. Next we've got the camera itself. So I'll let you have a quick look around the camera itself before I tell you about it. So the camera itself is made from plastic and it feels pretty solid and lightweight. So what can I tell you about it? Here on the top we've got the photo resistor, and this actually senses how bright it is, so it controls when to turn the infrared lights on and off. So underneath there we've got the 3.6mm camera lens, which is 2 megapixels. And it records at 1080p at 25 frames per second. So underneath here, I don't know if you can see that, but this is where the microphone is itself. And on the other side here, this is where the power indicator is. So this will light up when it's powered up. So underneath here this is where the infrared lights are. So if I tilt this up, and if you can see that button there, this is the reset button if you ever want to reset the camera. So that's where the reset button is. So underneath there we've got the micro SD slot, and it will take a micro SD card which is a class 10 card, and it will take anything from an 8 to a 64 gigabyte card. But the best thing to do is get the maximum you can get, which is a 64 gigabyte, which will give you long recording times. So right guys, that's everything on the camera there. On the side of it here we've got the speaker itself, and that's for the two-way audio, so you can speak to other people via the app. So on the back of it here we've got the antenna, which is the aerial, and depending on how you've mounted it, so you can mount it to the wall like this, I think, or you can mount it to the ceiling like that. Depending on how you got it mounted, you can adjust the aerial accordingly. So on the back of it here we've got the LAN port, so here you can connect your router box straight to it and connect to the camera. But I wouldn't do that because it's a wireless camera, you might as well use it wirelessly. But if you wanted to hardwire it, that's how you'd hardwire it. Next to that we've got the power supply, where you'd power the camera from. So underneath here, this is where the mount itself, what you get in the box, what I'll show you in a minute, what connects up here. And if you can see that you've got a 1/4 inch thread there, so you can get an aftermarket mount as well if you wanted to. So right guys, that's everything on the camera what I can show you, and I'll show you what else we get in the box. So right, in the box itself we've got the power plug to charge the camera with, and it connects via USB. Next we've got the USB power lead to power the camera up from the back of it. And here we've got the mount for the bottom of the camera itself. So that actually mounts in the bottom, and what you do is you'd fit it on like that and you turn it and it'd lock it into place. So that'll be connected to the wall or ceiling depending on how you connect it. So once this is connected, to take it off you just turn the camera and take it off. So this itself will be connected via some screws and plugs they've given you as well. So right guys, that's everything in the box, and that's the Apeman IP camera. So right guys, I don't think there's anything else I can tell you about it, and I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying one, and thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.